Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off typing keyboard sound on a phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the typing interface and this is the keyboard. Okay, if you type something in keyboard, there will be sound along with your each press. Okay, see here, listen here. So for each press there will be a sound, small sound. If you would like to turn off this typing keyboard sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration and go to system sound, and here just to turn off the button against Samsung keyboard, and the keyboard sound will be turned off. Now go to the typing interface, go to home screen and go to typing interface and type something on the keyboard. There will be no sound. In this way you can easily turn off keyboard sound on your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.